One of my YouTube friends just told me that he's at risk for losing his job and he doesn't know what to do. So I've decided to help him out. I'm going to show him in the next 30 days how to make $8,000 or more so he can put himself on track owning his own financial destiny with a basic six-figure income. Now, he doesn't know this yet. In fact, he's on his way here right now. I'm going to give him a ride in my four-wheeler, and we're going to go up the mountain, and then I'm going to break it to him and share with him that I'm going to take him by the hand for the next 30 days and literally show him how to make this money. It's so simple. It's so easy. Everyone should own their own financial destiny, but frankly, we just don't know how. Come with me on a journey. I'm going to help him do it for the next 30 days, and I'll show you exactly what we're doing so you can do it too. I wanted to put an offer on the table to help you replace your income and actually get on track for earning your own six figures. I'm going to talk to you about a near untouched space. Dude, so check it out. I've been concerned about you because I got that call last night and you told me what happened at work. What's going on?
So it's not for sure. My boss is nice enough to kind of give me a heads up. So I don't know if that's going to be me or not, but I was given the heads up. So it very likely could be me.
And I mean, honestly, when you think of if you were to lose your job and you think about the fact that you've got, you know, your 4 kids, your wife, you have obligations, things that you're paying for.
Sure.
Like, honestly, how do you feel at the idea of losing your job, especially in this economy?
Well, I work in a very specialized industry, so I can't just go out and get another job or anything like that. So it's kind of a scary prospect.
Yeah. So I was feeling that from you, and I felt inspired to do something for you. I wanted to put an offer on the table. I don't know if you'll like it, but I want to share with you an offer.
You got a smirk on your face, so
yeah.
Go ahead.
Well, what I'm about to offer doesn't cost any money.
Okay.
I would like to help you in the next 30 days with a side gig, replace your income and actually get on track for earning your own six figures. Without a boss, without an employer, as in like a side hustle during the next 30 days, I can show you basically a very simple business model, super customizable for whatever you might like and enjoy. And basically the goal is I'll work with you for the next 30 days and help you make at least $8,000, replace your job income. And then from there you can go wherever you want. But I'm just telling you, if you can make $8,000 in a month, which is $100,000 a year, you can probably, with a little bit of time and refinement, make a lot more money and have that freedom that you've been looking for.
You're going to do that for me?
I'm going to do that for you for free, if you'll take me up on the offer, but I have some conditions.
I don't even care what the conditions are.
All right, well, I better give you the conditions.
I appreciate that, but I still don't care what they are. But Go ahead.
Here's condition number 1.
Okay.
They, my other YouTube friends, just like you're one of my YouTube buddies,
right,
you need to let them witness the whole journey. As in, like, literally watch exactly how I show you how to make this money so that they can learn from you and we can help them do the same.
Okay.
For me, this is a financial freedom play. And when you started working with me this last year and we got in the game of real estate and started doing things, the reality is real estate is a passive investment game and it's where you get to make some money with time. But we're talking about producing an active income because everyone needs both. You need active income that can cover all your bills plus some for freedom.
Correct.
And if you're doing it intelligently, it should take very little time. Real estate is actually what's building the long-term game of residual income. And so that's my first criteria is will you let them actually witness the entire journey so that we can show them exactly what you're doing and how you're doing it.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, good. So this is the second condition. I need time, which means that when you're not working and when you're not having critical functions with your family, I need you to be willing to put in a few hours every single day into this because in 30 days, it's $8,000 or more and it's nothing less. So do you have the ability to put in that kind of time?
I do. I can do that.
Okay. Here's the third thing. You're going to have to hustle. You're going to have to work if you're doing this right along with us. You're going to actually have to put in some time and effort and energy to do things that you've never done before. I will literally take you by the hand and show you how to do it. In fact, in these videos, I will do it with you. But I need you there right by my side, basically taking a leap of faith to do what needs to be done. Some of those things include calling strangers. Some of those things might include going to someone's house. But if it's all on the side and gets you on track for 6 figures and then super strong 6 figures, maybe 7 figures, would you do that?
Yes.
Good.
Absolutely.
So Trent, ultimately there's 3 reasons why this works. And for you, it's number 1, because I don't touch things unless they have a high margin, which means 50%. I will literally show you how to make 5 times more money than an average business. 90% of businesses function on a 10% margin. 5 times that is a 50% margin. And that's really critical, because if you're making that amount of money on these projects that I'm going to explain to you, that leads to number 2, outsourcing, which means you have enough money to let other people get paid to do the work so that you get your time back. The next 3 days, you're going to bust your hump with some side time, but then I'll show you how to systematize it so you reclaim it. Does that make sense?
Makes sense, yeah.
So we got to have huge margin. Number 2 is I'm going to show you how to outsource, because I do not want you doing any of the projects or fulfillment on anything that I'm about to explain. And the third thing is I'm going to teach you how to produce endless, cheap, or free leads. Which means if you look at the biggest problems that really exist in business, it's either because a business doesn't have enough prospects or it's because they have too small of a margin. I'm going to fix both of those things, and I'm going to have you outsource the work so that you reclaim your time. Does that make sense?
That makes sense, yeah.
All right, so let me ask.
Okay.
Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah, I really want to.
Do you want to know what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Check it out. You see the homes down here in the valley?
Yeah.
I'm going to talk to you about a near untouched space. All of these homes out here are lived in by people that have projects going on. They either want their garage epoxy, they want their house painted, they need someone to haul off yard waste, they want someone to build a deck, right? This is usually the handyman or the contractor space. And guess what? None of them use online marketing. None of them use it. Like, we use online marketing to sell products, right? There's all these, I'm pushing crappy products out to the whole world with my Amazon store. But people have not figured out how to use online marketing for these home-based projects, which means there's no competition, and there won't be for years to come. What this means for you and what this means for you is that I've hacked a system for 25 different home-based projects, and I can pretty much produce for anywhere from $10 to free endless leads for all of these projects. So here's what it looks like. In this side hustle that you're gonna learn as I share this with Trent, I'm gonna show you 3 things. Number 1, next, I'm gonna show you how to literally produce all the leads that you could want. Number 2, I'm gonna show you how to convert 1 in 5 of those leads into money. And then number 3, how to get someone else to do the work while still keeping that big fat margin for you. Does that make sense?
That makes absolute sense.
So by the way, just think about it. Someone needs a rock wall, someone needs this project, someone needs that project. We're gonna find the niches where you have the most fun. I'm gonna take all these leads, show you how to convert them into money. But don't get me wrong, there's some skill and some talent involved here. Like, I gotta teach you how to have these conversations, how to give these people the proper pricing that will leave you at the proper margin. And the goal is to do enough of these projects on the side in 30 days to replace your job income and give you this option. If I want to stay with that company, it's because I choose to. If I leave, it's because I can and because I choose to. And after this 30-day experiment, you'll have another choice: to keep running with this model, and you'll learn how to scale it from $100,000 a year to 2 to 3 to 4, 500,000, potentially 7 figures. So here's my question: are you in?
I'm in.
You want to play?
Oh, absolutely.
You want to go?
Yeah. Absolutely.
All right, buddy, let's do it.
Thanks, buddy.
Listen up. Join us on the journey. I'm about to teach Trent A to Z how to do this. I'm going to show you at the exact same time so that you can join in the journey and literally help Americans and people all over the world take back their financial life. There was a time when we were in charge of our own financial lives and our own financial futures, and we have lost that. We're beholden to companies. And with 54% of businesses literally out right now, and with 24% of those saying we're never getting back in business, with unemployment now being at 10% and millions more filing, there's a need for this. I've been the guy teaching people the long-term plan through real estate. But what I'm doing is I'm actually officially adding a whole new wing to my company to help people like you and everyone else say, Kris, you've been asking me forever, what are the side hustles? How can I make money? How can I control my financial future? I'm now going to reveal exactly how I do it, what it is, how you can do it, and how you guys can come along. So join us for the journey. In just a few short videos, I'm going to break down the entire process, and you're literally going to witness it step by step. You ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's make it happen.
I'm driving.
So here's the reality. when I work with someone, I get crazy aggressive and I drop all the tools they need. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call my brother Nick. He lives around the corner. I'm gonna see if he will meet me right now at my house with Trent. We're gonna get him set up, start getting him all of the endless leads so that he can take his next step and literally within 24 hours, potentially start making money. Because guess what? It's a 30-day challenge and it's game on right now. What's up, dude? How you doing? Hey, so check it out. I just talked to Trent and he's in. Can you meet me at my house in the next few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and let's actually, I want to show him how to set up his account. We're going to start stacking up the leads and we're making money literally in the next 24, 48 hours. You good?
Love it. Let's do it.
Okay, dude, I'll see you in a few. That right there is my genius younger brother who knows how to hook people up with these ads that will make all of this money making possible. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you handle this beast?
Let me show you how to drive it.
All right. Dude, this is gonna be so simple and so much fun. I'm super excited about helping Trent with this, but frankly, I'm excited to help you out as well. My brother Nick is about to pull up. We're gonna hop in the house and we're basically gonna sit down and literally get the account turned on, gonna really reveal the mystery of these incredible, magical, cheap or free leads that can produce hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars worth of business. This stuff is literally in your backyard and people just don't know it. So we're gonna flip the switch, we're gonna get it turned on, make sure Trent knows what he's doing, and literally this week start booking business. So join me for the next episode where I actually break it all down for you. It's gonna be awesome. If you along the way want help doing the exact same thing, there is a link below for you to learn how to get my help, my brother's help, and for us to take you by the hand and help you do the exact same thing. So we'll see you there and we'll see you on the next video.